Okay.
50% capacity. In 3, 2, 1.
Mayday! Mayday!
Not a mayday yet. And yes, I said yeah.
Mayday! Mayday! Mayday!
I'm screwed. Maybe we should keep it away from the cars.
Oh, hit. Look it.
Run.
Oh.
Did it get scratched?
Oh. It got. Wait, no, that's just dirt. Okay, nothing got this. Hey,
cribbing.
don't. Okay, fire! Mayday! Mayday!
What's wrong with you? Put it on the ground. You moron.
Mayday! Mayday! We have crashed. Lift off.
This happens all the time.
Yeah, that's what mine does sometimes. Luna's just scared of it and she tries to attack it.
I did too.
Hey, I didn't break it.
Sure you did.
Mine does that. Okay, that time it wasn't me.
Okay, you're gonna have to hold it.
That's not gonna work.
I meant by the tail.
No, we're here. Fire!
I'm fine.
This is not even all the way on. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, I think it's broken.
This does it all the time. Hold on.
I think it's dead.
No, it isn't.
Okay, it's been almost a minute and 50 seconds it's been. Just try to keep it on the ground. Prepare to lift off. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. What's that?
Nothing. In 50% plus capacity. In 3,
It's not gonna make it.
1. Darn it, Billy! What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, stupid truck.
It has to be charged.
No, duh. What do you want to do while it's charging? Watch a movie?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's watch a movie.
But I want to play this.
How about this? You keep that on silent, and we watch a movie at the same time while you play.
No.
Oh, what?
Mm.
Okay, keep it loud, and we watch the movie.
I'm just going to play this.
Whatever, Chris.
I just don't want to watch a movie. I got this today.
Yeah, I got my laptop today, and I can't do anything else.
You could watch it and I could play this.
Well, then why did you come up then?
Well, you knocked earlier.
No, just to tell you what I got.
Yeah, I know. Then I told my mom if I could go up. And she just said I had to get dressed. And mail! Okay, nothing.
Dude,
Oh,
it's
you have
Christmas.
mail.
It's Christmas, though.
You have mail.
That's from yesterday.
Oh. Yeah, yesterday was Christmas Eve.
People still deliver mail on Christmas Eve, Chris.
I know. Okay, we'll continue next time.